Hey guys, this is David with US GPS Trackers. First off, I just want to say thank you. We know you have a lot of different choices out there as a service provider, but you chose us. So we're going to do our best to make sure that the choice is as good for you as possible and make the experience with us great. Alright, so this video is going to focus more on just general use. After you purchase the device and get your activation information from us, we're just going to basically go through some of the basic steps on how to use the platform. It's not going to be very in-depth, this tutorial. It's going to solve maybe 70 to 80% of your needs. Anything additional, we will have additional tutorials, and you just have to reach out for us for that. Okay, so when you first get your device and your login credentials, you obviously have a link to the page here, and this is your login page. The first step you're going to need is to put in your login information, which is typically your email address and the password that was generated for you. We do recommend you reset your password if you get one of those automatically generated passwords from us, and you can do that by clicking on Forgot Password. Okay, so you'll get the link sent to your email that we have on file, and it'll tell you to click on this link and change your password and just go through those prompts that way. That's recommended once again. Alrighty. And then you put in the password. You'll click log into your account, of course. And for the purpose of this demo, we're just going to go through the demonstration account. All right, so you're going to click on the demo login. After you click on that, you're going to see this little splash screen come up. All right, guys, so once you log in, you're going to realize that yours may not have data down here or any sort of online activity, maybe an offline one if you've registered your device properly and everything. But as time goes on, it'll start looking more like this. Of course, mine has a few devices on there, so that's why it's so busy looking. But these are your three little bars here. One's for tracking, seeing if things are online, and so on. The other one is to see if you have any tasks. This is more for like your fleet owners or people that have multiple vehicles and you're using it for work. And same thing with fleet as well. This is more like tracking your engine hours, all that sort of fun stuff. So this will be more discussed as we go into the map. And to get to the map, you're going to go to the little world here, and you're going to click on tracking. When it says old version, that's just the older user interface. We prefer this one because this one's a little more seamless and a lot easier to learn. But okay, we're in here. We see a couple devices online. What we'll go ahead and do is we can click on car, right? Let's look at the car. And if you want to see more info on it, you'll hover over it and you'll see show object information. And you're going to see that I need to charge my device. But besides that, you can see if you have any sensor readings, like say you have it attached to a certain device on the vehicle. You can track how many miles it's tracked with an odometer and keep it up to date with your vehicle's mileage and engine hours for a generator or things like that, or even the vehicle itself. But yeah, this is that vehicle. And if you want to see the history of it, let's say look in the past, you'll click on, okay, let me go back. You'll click on the history right here. It's a little clock going backwards and it's blue. And you're going to pop up with this menu. And what you're going to want to do is you can do only up to 30 days at a time, but you can go about a year back. So let's just say I want to see from August 1st through the 14th, the first 2 weeks of August. Let's select that. And as you can see right here, this will pop up. There are 46 trips. That's what that means with the 46 number up here. And I'll show you the mileage and honey, I guess, in terms of travel time, how much has passed. But yeah, as you can see, a bit of a trip up there and so on. You can see all the individual trips that the tracker has tracked. It's very accurate, and it gives a very, very good reading. And if you want to play it through, you can press route replay and so on. But that's essentially how you get to there. If you want to uncheck it, you click on this blue box over here, the one that I'm pointing to. And there you go. And if you want to take this off entirely, you click on that. And if you want to search a new one again, you can just click on history and select the date that you want. You first select the first date, or rather, first date and then the last date. All right. And finally, if you want to see different maps, say you don't like this sort of layout, you'll click on up here where it says map. And there's going to be a few options. Bing is the one that's on right now, just a generic online map. But you can click on satellite if you want to see that sort of thing, or hybrid if you want to know the roads with it. Normally, what works best for you will be like your Bing hybrid or regular Bing, especially here in the North America region. If you're a little bit outside, it may be a little more, you may have to test out these other ones up here. But for the most part, Bing should work just okay. But yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the basics. If you want to get more in depth, please let us know. We'll probably create you a custom little video for this. But let us know via email. Again, our email should be listed. It's info@usgpstrackers.com. And we're usually active on weekdays, anywhere from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central. If we don't get to you then, we should be able to get to you on the weekends, but it depends, you know. But besides that, you have a great day, and hopefully you don't have any issues. And bye bye.